What is up, my own time? Once it's your girl Don. Welcome back to my channel.
I just hope she don't wanna leave
So, in this video, today we're going to be installing a wig on my girl Ari. She wanted me to do a wig on her. This is like, I think it's like my first time installing a wig on somebody. Not fully, my first time ever installing a wig on somebody. So it's gonna be stressful, but we gonna get it. You know, I'm more used to doing it myself, but she wanted me to install a wig on her, so I was like, okay, I got you. So the wig that we have today, she got this from the Beauty Supply Stores. Pink Lemon. This is not sponsored. But this is the wig. She has a 13x4 full lace wig, human hair, bleach dye perm. Let me see how to open it.
Just pop it open for me.
Oh, y'all, my bad. So this is what it looks like in the box. I'm just gonna take it out. 22-inch full lace wig, human hair. Oh, this feels real soft too, y'all. I'm gonna have to go to the beauty supply store and get me a wig. Y'all, look at this wig. Very bouncy and it's real soft. Feel it. It's just real soft. So she could have her a good wig. You know what I'm saying? We like, take me where you in Pink Lemon. Shoot. So yeah, y'all. So we finna install this wig. It's 22 inches and
the price was $134.
134. Okay, that's not bad. 134 for this. And the way this feel, this not gonna knot up fast. All the wigs I have, over time it knots up, but this right here is so smooth and silky. I don't think this gonna knot up at all. You can easily brush through it. So we're gonna go ahead and braid her hair down first, and then we're gonna start with the install. So I'll see y'all when we're done braiding it down.
I know.
Oh, great heavens!
I know. Don't.
I'll see y'all when we get done. So y'all, we done braiding the scalp. It's not the best, but it's braided. So now we're gonna go ahead and slick these edges back.
It's coming along. It's coming along.
how it looks. Let me know down below any tips or anything. And y'all might be wondering, like, why is it so close right here? She does have a widow's peak.
Yeah.
So, and I know how she's about her widow's peak, so I left it alone to where it looked normal to how she has her hair is. So, yeah. If y'all like the video, subscribe down below. Instagram and TikTok, and see y'all later.